Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. This channel is about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. If you're a college student, welcome. If you're a mom, welcome. Free merchandise lady. Now, you know what? It all we want to do, you know, it's a lot of channels saying you can make hundreds of dollars and all that. You, I'm not gonna promise you that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm about you making little extra money in your pocket. And some of these sites I'm telling you about, and especially this one, it's about you making extra money. But I'm not telling you you're gonna make hundreds of dollars. No, because guess what? That be wrong. I'm talking about extra money that you can have in your pocket. That's what the free merchandise lady is about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. But if you want to do make that extra money, you want to be fun, enjoy yourself, and just have a good time doing it. Because guess what? Sometimes it could be boring. But if you found a site that's not boring, guess what? You want to share it. Share it, let everybody know. You can make it. Right. This is a free merchandise lady. Woohoo! This is a great site. It's called Swagbucks. Look at there. I mean, it's all sorts of ways. I just could believe how fun this is. I was like, look at this. You could answer surveys. You could do that. Then they have a daily poll, and they have that. And see, let me see. Happy Easter. What are you doing? Anything to celebrate? Well, I cooking a special meal. I'm gonna put that there. There you go. I answered. It showed you the percentage and everything. I just love it because it's so simple and fun. And you know what? The best part about Swagbucks is that they have the live trivia game where you play with people all over the world and you can win. Everybody got a chance to win $1,000. They don't have it every day. They have it. It seems like every other day, and it seems like they don't have it on weekends. I never seen it on the live on Saturday and Sunday, but it seemed like it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something where in that range. It's like I have to catch it though, and if you stay on the site, it'll let you know. It give you a notification to let you know when they have the live trivia. It's so much fun, and then you could turn in your receipts and get points. They are point method for your receipts on your groceries and points on that in store and online. I mean, it really adds up. And then, and you can get different prizes. And then, you know what? They have games to play. If you love to play video games, this is the place. And then you could, watch videos. They have so many things to do. I'm trying to catch. Let's see. Then they have so many. They have a lot of great ways to gift cards to get these items, and then they got it where just like, okay, you need 2,200 swag bucks for this, and you get a discount of 12% off, so you don't have to use that whole thing. I mean, it's really fun, but see, compared to a lot of sites, they made it so much fun. And look at the what they have. Apple, you can get the Bitcoin. If you a Bitcoin, this is a great way to me. The Bitcoin, what a great way you could do the surveys and or watch videos, play games, and all that without investing your money. And you did it through that their way. if you an investment, it won't really cost you anything. You want to, and look at this. Um, MasterCard, look at that. And then you get a percentage off, but you got to have those reward points. And look at this. Look at that. They got different Visa cards. Oh, Amazon. Look at that. The Amazon's 25, 15, 50. Then you got your Walmart card. All the favorites are here. Let's see. Woohoo. There's some more. Target. A lot of people love Target too. Let me get that off there. That's something else there. And look at this. You could even get an American Express card. You could get an eBay card on Swagbucks. But like I said, once you do that live trivia with Swagbucks, you will fall in love with the channel because you say, hey, I could do everything. You could get cash back when you shop. It's just so much you could do. And look at that. They got the Starbucks card. Look at that. And they got Google, Home Depot. They got everything that people love to go to. Because I love to go a lot of these places. Loads or online. Look at that. Sam's Club. Look at that. Uber. Hey, get that meal. Sit back. Be at home. Get that meal. And then, oh, if you could get that for free. Oh, that's just lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Macy's. Get you a nice Macy gift for yourself. All that about what? Having fun with Starbucks. I mean, Swagbucks. It was Starbucks. Swagbucks. For your merchandise lady, she messing up. Oh, look at this. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Homes Goods. Oh, I love all of them. Oh, I'm a real shopper. Oh. And look at that. Sephora. Look at that. Get you. And then look at that. They got 12% off. That means off your points. And like it's free to join. Kohl's on here. Look at that. CVS. That's the man. It's free to join. And like I said, they have the where you use your receipts. You could get points on that. You could do the surveys, get points on that. Then the live trivia. Then they have a daily trivia without being live, and you could do yourself. Then they have the daily poll. Then they have, like I said, videos for you look at, play games. They always, you never be bored with this. I promise you. They are the best. Look at that. Red Lobster. Look at that. Buffalo Wild Wings. I mean, they know what people would do all these activities for. Look at that. Domino's Pizza. I mean, it just go on and on. Look at that. Look at Nike, $50. Woohoo. Look at that. JC Penney. I mean, the list goes on and on. Swagbucks. You gotta sign up. It's for free. And you will enjoy it. Like I say, this is not your typical survey site. They have multiple things for you to do. Look, free merchandise, lady. No, you just want to make some extra money so you could do some of the things that you love to do. You love to go out to the movies. You love to have extra money just to have fun. Free merchandise, lady. It's, you know what? About you making money, saving money, and getting things for free. Give me thumbs up. I'll see you next time.